Lydia Arjune. I am 13 years old and go to CR for Wednesday. I play the violin and love doing art. I'm a participant of Codettes InnoStarter. And my project is about Mr. Cooler. When it gets too hot in my chicken coop, my egg production goes down. Or when it gets too moist or even too dry, there's mold or other issues that causes the chickens to get sick. That's why I created Mr. Cooler, which is an automatic temperature and humidity monitoring and control system. The fan turns on when it's above a certain temperature and off when it's below a certain temperature. The parts that I use for this project is an Arduino Uno, a 9-volt battery, a breadboard, a DC motor, a LCD screen, some jumper wires, and a DHT11 sensor. A DHT11 sensor is a humidity and temperature sensor, which then sends the humidity and temperature around it. First, what I did was build some electronic circuits on Tinkercad and then programmed it to see if it works, and then made it physically. And then I 3D designed the enclosure for my project and then printed it on the 3D printer. The libraries that I use for my codes are Liquid Crystal I2C, Wire, and DHT library. For Envoy setup, I programmed about the LCD screen and the pins. And in void loop, I programmed about the fan that when it's above a certain temperature, let it turn on, and when it's below a certain temperature, let it turn off. And now I'm gonna show you a little demo of what I made. So this is my final project. Here I have my 3D printed enclosure. As you can see in the inside, I have my components, and if I turn it on, when it reaches above 30 degrees, it will turn on the first step, and when below 30 degrees, will turn on the second step. And when it's below 25 degrees, it will turn off. I had lots of fun doing this project. I learned a lot. It was exciting and challenging.